friends, welcome to Living on the Edge. Today we have a slightly different review. Today I'm actually not on a cruise. I want to invite you today to wait, just take a look. Yep, you guessed it right. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, the never sleeping city. And not only that, I'm actually staying this time at the Encore, the Wynn in Encore Las Vegas. Not only that, but I'm staying at the towers at the Encore Las Vegas. So without further ado, let me take you for a quick tour and hopefully enjoy it. Okay, my friends, so I would like to start this time actually at the furthest point from the entrance. And this would be your living room in this beautiful tower suite in the Encore building from the Wynn and Encore in Las Vegas. So as you can see, hello there, this room has quite a few mirrors, so it gives you this impression of a bigger room, of a more spacious environment. So this is very, very nice. It feels very grand and yet very luxurious and high-end and homey. So it's kind of combine all of them. You have your desk here, the chair, floor lamp. You have, of course, the sofa here. This is just a sofa. It's not a sleeper sofa. You have, of course, this, I'm not sure how to call it, ottoman, I guess, that you can use either just for relaxing, chilling, or, of course, dine on top of it with some nice maybe tray, because this is sort of leatherette. And, of course, on this side you have some storage. And the TV. The TVs actually can be turned between the bedroom and the living room. Depends where you would like to use it. So this is your TV. And this would be your view from this end. I almost feel like this table is like somebody's office if you would like to have a proper reception. So you have two chairs here, very nice. But the very cool thing about those rooms, that those rooms are actually come equipped with Alexa. And let's try this one. Hopefully she can catch what I'm asking her for. Alexa, open curtains.
Okay.
Well, she said okay, but she didn't do it. So let's try it again. Alexa, open curtains.
Okay.
Well, second time is a charm, but it does work. So you can open your curtains without approaching your window, even from your bed. And this is the beautiful view that you get in this room. And it is the, well, let's say less desired view for some, because this one is not facing the strip. It's actually facing the back side of the resort. And you can see here the Hilton Resort World, some parking area here, mountains in the distance. But I have to say that this is my second time staying in this resort, and I actually asked for this side this time because last time I was facing the beautiful strip. However, there is the club that is during weekends and at nights might be noisy to some. And I would like to have my quiet sleep. So I asked this time to face this way. So hopefully this will be quiet. So yeah, this is your living room. Now, of course, let's move to the bedroom area. You have your armoire here, which I'll show you in a second what it has inside of it. You have your beautiful bedroom area with an additional huge mirror. Hi, friends. So this is a king-size bed, of course, and it's beautifully dressed with all the special bedding and mattresses for Wynn, which they're really known for. Even the pillows have this beautiful embroidered emblem of their hotel chain. So this is beautiful. And of course, on this side, you have again your TV, which you can watch from both sides. And you have some drawers for additional storage. Now, in this armoire, you would have your bar. And of course, you know, in Vegas, everything is kind of pricey, so be prepared for that. But the bar has two sections. You have the dry pantry, I call it, side, which is cookies and popcorn and stuff like that. And of course, inside of it, you will have your fridge. And in the fridge, you can have some additional drinks. Of course, be careful when you touch those, because from my understanding, when you leave them, it automatically charges your room. You have some glasses here and a bucket of ice. And you can, of course, ask them and they will deliver the ice whenever you would like to. I do enjoy that they have now those iPads in the room, which they did not have a year ago. So this is a new addition. And you can basically control everything in your room and customer service and things like that from your iPad. This is a very nice touch. Now this would be your corridor. And normally we would, of course, start the tour from this area. But I wanted to show you first the living room, so hopefully you don't mind. Now, this door would be a connecting door to the suite next to me, which I did not book, therefore it's closed. But at the entrance, let me show you how the resort is built. By the way, another huge mirror so you can enjoy and check yourself before you're going out. But this is the floor. So we are on floor number 14. And from my understanding, all this section from here up until those elevators, it's basically the regular hotel section. And from number 19 up until here, this is the tower section. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how it is. And over here, the green dot, number 07, this is the room I'm staying in. Now, as you can notice, the room is pretty spacious. And if this is how on the map this looks like, I just can't imagine how big this unit is, which I'm connected to, not to mention anything about those. Regardless, those are the elevators that are very unique and special for the towers. So if you're staying in the tower section, those are the elevators you're using. So those rooms will be very close to the elevators, you don't have to walk around. Now, of course, when you enter, you have your panel here. And this is to control your lights and information for the room service team. So you have the privacy, the service, all lights on, off, etc. And of course, this is the view of the corridor when you enter. Now, over here, we have our closet. And in the closet, it's pretty standard. But you have your hanging area. Excuse for my stuff here. You have your luggage rack, 3 drawers here. I would say he's and her or smaller and larger size of sleepers. And of course you have your safe. I do like that they have this pocket for the safe for I guess your smaller items. It can definitely accommodate a laptop, but I would say that the laptop will have to stand here and not be in basically flat. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, this is your closet. And now, of course, last but never least, let's take a look at the bathroom, which is beautiful. So in the bathroom, this is your bathroom. Let's start here. We have the commode area here, which is basically a separated area just for the toilet. We have the dual sink vanity here. I do like that they give you quite a few extras here. You have a shaving cream, things like hairspray, which normally I don't see in hotels. You even have razors and anything you might need. You have a TV here, which you can enjoy while you are taking your bath right here. And if you're not a bath person, you would like to take a shower, which I'm the shower person, that would be it. So you have a walk-in shower as well. And I'm just reminding you guys, this is the standard entry room for the tower building. So yeah, let's take a look again and walk through this room just to have the full impression of how it is when you get to the hotel. Very, very spacious. Your living room, myself in the mirror, and of course, the beautiful, beautiful view. So yes, my friends, this was the short tour of this beautiful one-bedroom suite at the towers of the Encore Las Vegas. I'm very excited for the next 2 nights. And of course, I will link below a video we'll take later of my opinion, things I liked or perhaps things I liked less. And of course, as always, if you have any comments, suggestions, or if you want just to be nice and subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe so I can keep doing what I like doing most. And until next time, I'm your Hedge.